Hello friends, let's draw a shark and a dolphin playing together. First, we're gonna draw our friend the shark. Sharks are carnivores, which means they eat meat and other tiny fishies. The biggest type of shark or fish is the whale shark, but not as big as the blue whale. If you're at the beach and you see a fin sticking out of the water, run away! It's gonna be the shark! Next up is the dolphin. Dolphins are smaller than sharks but have longer noses. Dolphins are also carnivores. If you forgot what that means, it means they eat meat and tiny other fishies. Now it's time to color the dolphin's fin. It's gonna be blue. Some orange for the other fin. Some dark green for some of the tail. Some red for the mouth. Some black to color in the eyes. Some yellow. Some indigo. And there we go! Our dolphin is done with its coloring. Now we're doing the shark. Some black for the eye, an indigo fin. What? We're not coloring the whole fin. Why is that? Oh, because we're putting yellow in the middle. Now some red for the tail. And some indigo for the other tail. Some dark green for the fin. Some yellow for the fin. Some orange for the back. But we're not gonna color the face orange. We want our shark to look like a superhero. So only the body is orange. And the face is gonna be blue like a superhero mask. Superhero shark! Da 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 da! Now we're gonna add some yellow for its nose and some yellow for its belly.